ago, come by a beach side around there, and I saw a kingfisher bird. I'm not sure of the species of kingfisher, but I decided to aim back and see if I can capture some lovely footage of the bird. I actually saw 3 of them, and I didn't know that kingfisher were in Jamaica. Didn't know that. And here is a kind of a rock side like, and the road is just right here, so you're going to hear a lot of cars in the background. So I'm just here waiting because I actually observed them for a time and I saw them hovering over the reef head that's right in front of me here. So I set up my camera right position at that same spot just to see if I can capture one hovering over the reef head. But I saw one just flew up the sea. Yeah, have you seen any pitch close yet or stop to feed yet? And it's a little bit early in the morning now as well, so I'm gonna hang around a little bit and see what takes place. If I can capture one of these kingfishers, it would be lovely if I got one, just to see which species it is, because they are so small. It is hard to tell the species from a distance. What I'm trying to do this morning is just get some nice video clips of them and see the species, and that's you guys can see these birds. Never knew these birds actually in Jamaica. It's the first I'm seeing them, so I'm really excited to capture one and feed it. I'm gonna relax a little bit, hopefully. If one come and pitch anywhere near or over the reef head, I'm gonna try to get that. Because I saw them pitching these 3 yesterday when I was on the beach and I saw them hovering. So that's the reason why I choose this location. Whoa. Nice brown pelican just flew across. I'm gonna sit a little bit and just see it, okay? I have been here for quite some time now, and I haven't seen any more of them as yet, just the one that flew out the sea. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up by a next location where I saw a white crowned pigeon. So I'm gonna pack up and just take a little early morning walk and go by that next location, and that's by the seaside as well, so hopefully I can see that one that go up the sea and probably get to photograph a white crowned pigeon as well. So if I don't see the kingfisher in the evening about 3 o'clock, I'm gonna come back because it's very close to my yard as well. I'm gonna come back and see if I can photograph while it is feeding in the evening, because I guess they're settling down now because it's getting too late. It's getting too late in the day. So what I'm gonna do, up by the next spot, and if I don't see it, I just head home and then come back. So we come a little further up the road and enter down by the seaside where I see a beautiful rock, and as soon as I reach up on the top of the rock, there were the kingfisher. There was the kingfisher, guys. But he saw me and flew a little further down, a couple yards down. So I managed to get a clip of it, perch on a branch, but didn't get a good clip of it because it was so far away. But I still happy that I get this clip, just to make sure there are kingfishers in Jamaica. And I know it's more than one because I saw 3 the time that I came here. 3 of them I saw. And they're actually feeding. But this one, he was just perching, looking at the water, maybe looking for any fish or anything. But I'm happy I get this clip. And I'm not sure the species of kingfisher. When I reach home, I'm gonna like match the image of it and find the name, because there's a lot of species of kingfisher, probably maybe 100 or day 2 now, and come back by the seaside, come check on the kingfishers, and luckily I managed to capture about 3-second footage of one. I only saw one, but he was flying from tree to tree. It's a very wild bird, guys, very wild. So he was flying from tree to tree, so I couldn't get a shot. So I decided on sitting down at a certain spot and see if he will flew to that location, and set my exposure and everything and wait on him. And I waited for about 45 to 40 minutes, and same as I took out my phone and look at something, he flew right on a branch, and I managed to get just a 3-minute clip or so of him. Yeah, and he flew way down the next side of the beach, of the seaside, in a almond tree, and all I can capture is just some distance footage. Yeah, but definitely sure that kingfisher is here now. Definitely sure. And I've been here for about 2 hours now, and as I come here a couple minutes after, I saw one. I saw him and tried to photograph it, waiting to get through. I'm going to share this video now, and I finish the editing and share it, because there's a lot of them around this section. So I will come back and see if I can get some better footage, because I'm working on a documentary and I need some proper footage of these birds. These birds will be a bonus bird for me, right? Because I didn't know that these birds really in Jamaica. I don't know if they migrate or because of the winter they come here, or don't know, but very glad I saw them. So this one gone up the sea, so I have a next location up top. Before I leave, I'm going to stop here and see if I can capture some more footage of him. Come at the next location, you know, beautiful location in the area, and you see him, probably him settle down now because I get a little late. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go home now and let him get a rest. In a couple of days or so, visit back and see if I can capture him properly. Yeah, man. It was a lovely afternoon beach hike as well, you know. beach walk, you know. Yeah, and they actually get see a closer picture of the kingfisher bird. Actually get it seems that it's blue and white. And on the neck white and the wing area blue. Very beautiful bird, guys. So guys, if you love these videos, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell for when I upload any video at all. Yeah, and stay tuned to the channel, right? So catch you in the next one then.